Hey friends, welcome back to Nature Heals Daily, your source for natural healing with a spiritual foundation. Let's walk through each remedy together, how it works, how to use it, where to get it, and the Bible verse that connects us to God's healing power. Peppermint. What it does: soothes digestion, reduces gas and bloating. Use it. Peppermint tea after meals or enteric-coated capsules. Buy it. Amazon, health food stores, Mountain Rose Herbs. Verse Psalm 104 verse 14. He makes herbs for the service of man. Ginger. What it does: boosts digestion, eases nausea and inflammation. Use it. Fresh ginger tea, smoothies, capsules. Buy it. Grocery store or Amazon. Verse Proverbs 4 verse 22. They are life to those who find them, and health to the whole body. Alright, next up is licorice root, specifically DGL. This remedy is known for its ability to repair the gut lining and help with acid reflux. You can use it by taking DGL chewables before meals. You can buy it on Amazon, and some good brands to consider are Gaia Herbs and Now Foods, and, as Proverbs 15 verse 4 says, a soothing tongue is a tree of life. Moving on to chamomile. This lovely herb not only calms the gut, but also the mind. It's best used in the form of chamomile tea before bed. You can easily find it at your local grocery store, and Traditional Medicinals is a reliable brand. Remember the words from Matthew 11:28. Come to me, all who are weary. Lastly, we have slippery elm. This remedy is excellent for coating and protecting your digestive tract. To use it, mix the powder in warm water. You can purchase it from Mountain Rose Herbs or on Amazon. And let's not forget Proverbs 16:24. Pleasant words are a honeycomb, sweet to the soul and healing to the bones. Marshmallow root. What it does: reduces inflammation and soothes the gut lining. Use it as tea or capsules. Buy it from Star West Botanicals or iHerb. Verse Psalm 107 verse 20. He sent out his word and healed them. Oil of oregano. What it does: it's a natural antibiotic and fights bad gut bacteria. Use it as capsules or diluted drops, but only for short-term use. Buy it from Amazon or Whole Foods. Verse Genesis 1 verse 29. I give you every plant bearing seed. Aloe vera juice. What it does: soothes and repairs the gut lining. Use 1 to 2 ounces daily. Lily of the Desert brand is great. Buy it from health food stores or Amazon. Verse Exodus 15 verse 26. I am the Lord who heals you. Remedy 9. Cabbage juice. It's high in L-glutamine, which really helps with ulcers. You can use it by blending fresh cabbage with water. It's a simple DIY remedy, and you can buy cabbage at your local grocery store. Remember Ezekiel 47:12. Its leaves will be for healing. Next up we have reishi mushroom. This remedy balances gut flora and reduces inflammation. You can use it in powder form, as a tea, or even in capsules. You can buy reishi mushroom from Host Defense or on Amazon. And let's not forget, 1 Corinthians 10:31 says, whatever you eat or drink, do it all for the glory of God. Remedy 11. Fennel seeds. They relieve gas and cramping. To use them, you can chew the seeds after meals or steep them in tea. You can find fennel seeds at Indian grocery stores or on Amazon. Proverbs 24:13 reminds us, eat honey, for it is good. 12. Dandelion root. What it does: Cleanses liver, supports digestion. Use it as tea or tincture. You can buy it from Gaia herbs or traditional medicinals. And here's a verse for you, Psalm 147 verse 3. He heals the brokenhearted and binds up their wounds. (13) Probiotic-rich foods. What it does? Rebuilds healthy gut bacteria. Use it in sauerkraut, kimchi, kefir, or yogurt. You can buy it at grocery stores or even make it yourself. And don't forget this verse, John 6:35. I am the bread of life. (14) Bone broth. What it does? It's full of collagen and gut-healing nutrients. Use it by drinking it warm, daily, or adding it to soups. You can buy it from Kettle and Fire or make it homemade. And here's a verse, Isaiah 58:11. You'll be like a well-watered garden. Remedy 15, turmeric and black pepper. What it does? It reduces inflammation and supports gut repair. You can use it in golden milk, turmeric tea, or even in capsules. You can buy it at your local grocery store or on Amazon. And let's not forget the wisdom from Genesis chapter 1 verse 12. And God saw that it was good. These 15 remedies are more than supplements. They're a reminder that God provides healing through nature. Use them with prayer, with wisdom, and with faith. If this blessed you, give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more healing tools grounded in scripture and science. Which of these remedies have you tried? Or which verse spoke to your heart today? Let me know in the comments. Coming up next, a simple 3-day gut reset using these remedies to restore your body and reconnect your spirit. You won't want to miss it. Remember, God has already given us what we need to heal. We just have to return to His creation and trust in His wisdom. If this video blessed you, please give it a thumbs up so more people can find this message. Don't forget to subscribe and turn on the bell, so you never miss a natural remedy that God put on this earth for your healing. Comment below and let me know, which remedy are you excited to try first? And what's your favorite healing scripture? Thanks for watching, God bless you, and I'll see you in the next video.